Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. There are 5 facts about the Fire TV stick that I bet you didn't know. We'll cover them all in today's video. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's go. All right, fact number 1. Did you know the Fire TV stick can be connected to anything with an HDMI port? Does not need to be a TV. In fact, I don't even connect my Fire Stick to a TV at all. In fact, I only use it on 2 things. I use it on a projector, and the reason I use a projector, especially a portable one like this, is because you can plug it directly into the back of your projector right here, and then there's a USB that you can connect to as well, making it completely portable. The projector will power the Fire Stick and then project onto any wall. So it makes it completely portable. So I use my Fire Stick on a projector almost always. In fact, I have a little laser projector in my movie room, short throw, that goes straight up on the wall. I use it for that almost every single time, and I just unplug it, bring it with me with a little portable one wherever I go. Another thing that I use it for is I'll plug it into an external monitor. Now this is a little one. They come up with big ones as well, and I've got a few bigger ones, but I like the little ones like this that I can bring with me while I'm traveling on the plane. And the reason why I would do that versus just a regular tablet is because the Fire Stick has some other features that I'm going to talk about in today's video, which makes that absolutely amazing when you're on a plane, and I'll share with you why later. Let's get into number 2. So the number 2 fact about the Fire TV stick that I bet a lot of you didn't know is that it is one of the only streaming devices that is fully open, meaning you can, with the click of a few buttons on your remote control, access tens of thousands of apps beyond what is in the Amazon App Store. Now there's other devices that will do it, like Android boxes, but this is the first mass-produced one that can, versus like the Roku, where you can just download things off of the Roku App Store, which has a ton of apps. But not as many as the Fire Stick, or Apple TV, which is limited. They're very strict about what you can put on that. Now, if you're just streaming Netflix or Hulu or anything like that, doesn't matter. But if you want to put those apps on your Fire TV stick to get free TV, movies, free games, all that, which is what I'm going to talk about here in a moment, then the Fire Stick is an awesome open platform stick. Will it always be open? I don't know, but it has been since it started. So that is one fact about the Fire Stick that sets it apart from others that I bet a lot of you did not know. All right, number 3, and you want to get closer for this. Did you know that IPTVs are free? If you are paying for an IPTV service, a monthly fee, I just want you to know what you're doing. Now, this does not apply to like YouTube TV or Sling or any of those, but if you're going out and getting a third-party IPTV to get free TV, free movies, even pay-per-view events, you're paying somebody to basically organize a free M3U code. You don't need to know anything about what that means other than the fact that it's free and it's open source and it is available to anybody on the internet completely free. They just make it all fancy and easy to see with a little guide and all that stuff, but you can do it completely free with your Fire Stick. All you need is a free app and the M3U code that you put into it. And I have a list of M3U codes and the app that you need and how to set it up right here on Patreon. And you can access that completely free. When you scan that QR code or click the link in the description, you can just scroll down to that post, because I want everybody to know that, guys. You don't have to pay for an IPTV. Save that money. If you're paying for a cable bill, that's one thing. But if you're paying somebody a monthly fee for something that costs them nothing, I don't think that's a good idea, guys. Get a free IPTV. In fact, in that link right there, if you go there and scroll to it, there's an IPTV link that gives you 8,800 channels completely free. It is open source and is 100% legal because they're not charging you for it. What makes it illegal is when they charge you for something they get for free, and that's why a lot of IPTVs are getting shut down. But this one, completely free, 8,800 channels. Make sure you check that out. All right, the next fact about the Fire TV stick that a lot of you didn't know is that you can expand storage on this little Fire Stick. Now, this little guy's small. If you have something small like this, you're probably not going to have a lot of storage, and you don't. The newest Fire Stick has 16 gigabytes of storage, which is fine for the normal person just streaming. But if you start using the free IPTVs where you're pausing live TV, or if you're using programs to download content on your Fire Stick, that storage will go very, very fast, and you can expand storage on this. Now, I bring this up as a fact that a lot of people don't know because other streaming devices like the Roku or Apple TV, it's much more of a struggle to add storage to those devices. But you can with the Fire Stick. So that works in conjunction with the fact that you can add these third-party apps. So you could use a program like TV Mate, which we've also done a post on Patreon, that shows you how to pause and record live TV, effectively completely eliminating the use for cable. So expanding storage is huge, and I have full videos on how to do it. And then even troubleshoot videos if you are struggling. It's more of an advanced thing to do. So some people do struggle with some of the steps or they don't get the right equipment. So I have literally step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. And I actually do it on the video so you can see that it does work, where I added 2 terabytes to a Fire Stick. This little guy right here, 2 terabytes. Crazy, you can do all kinds of stuff with it. And finally, a fact that very few people know about the Fire TV Stick is it's not just a streaming device where you could watch movies or TV or play games even, do yoga classes. There's more to it than just that because it is an Alexa-enabled device. So you have a remote like this on your Fire TV Stick, okay? And there's a little Alexa button right here. Now this allows you to access anything on your Alexa app. So if you have other Amazon devices in your house, like little Echo Dots throughout your house like I have, or you have security cameras, like I have some Ring security cameras, some Eufy security cameras, some Norio security cameras, and they're all linked through the Amazon app. And so what I can do is I can simply press this little button right here and say, show me the front door, or show me baby monitor. All kinds of things you can do. Anything that is connected to that. I can change lighting in each room. I can even change the color of the lighting in the mood. I can turn on my TVs. I can do all kinds of things. The list goes on and on because it is an Amazon device. It's connected to all of those Amazon devices in your home so you can seamlessly connect to it. So it's really nice if I'm watching TV and somebody comes to the door, I can see if it's a telemarketer just by saying show me the front door, and my Ring camera on the front door pops up and I can talk to them right there while I'm sitting in my movie room. I don't have to leave and say no thanks, we're not interested, and they leave. Don't have to go upstairs, don't have to open it, don't have to look at any special cameras or my phone. I can do it all on my TV with my Fire Stick. So those are 5 facts about the Fire Stick that I bet most of you didn't know. If there is one that you didn't know about that just blows you away, I want to know which one that is. Go ahead and comment down below in the comment section which one that is for a chance to win a Fire Stick. I'm going to give a Fire Stick away to one person that comments on this video. So make sure you comment. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, just click our channel name, and in the upper right hand corner there's a little bell. If you click that bell, you'll be notified of future videos. We do videos, all kinds of videos on streaming devices, Android boxes, Fire Sticks. We do product reviews on here, all kinds of fun stuff. So if you like this kind of stuff, make sure you do turn on notifications. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.